Learning English can be both fun and effective if you incorporate interesting methods into your routine. Here are some engaging ways to learn English. First one is watching English movies and series. Choosing movies or TV shows with subtitles in English. This helps you understand context, pronunciation, and uses. Start to shows that have simple language and gradually move to more complex ones. It will improve your English. Listening to English music and podcast. Music helps with pronunciation and rhythms. Well, podcast can improve listening skills and expose you to different accents and vocabulary building and improvement. Thirdly, using language learning apps. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Memrise make learning interactive with games, quizzes, and challenges. They keep you motivated with daily goals and rewards. Number 4, join an English speaking group. Practice with others who are also learning English. This could be in person or online. Language exchange groups or conversation clubs are great for this. Number 5, reading books, comics, or blogs. Start with simple books or comics in English and then move on to blogs and articles that interest you. Reading improves vocabulary and comprehension. Number 6, play odd games. Games like Scrabble, crosswords, or word searches help expand vocabulary and are fun way to learn new words to improve vocabulary. Number 7, engage in English social media. Follow English speaking influencers on social media, comment on posts, and join discussions. This keeps you up to date with current slang and conversational English. Number 8, practice speaking with virtual assistants like use Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant to practice speaking English. You can ask them questions, request information, or just have a chat. And you can also start practicing with keep a journal in English. Writing a daily journal in English helps you practice sentence structure, grammar, and vocabulary. It will improve your English for sure. Let's work on this topic, journaling in English. This will be effective uses. Number 10, set challenges for yourself. For example, try to learn and use 5 new words every day or aim to finish a book in English within a month. This could be a effective uses. And there you have it, 10 fun and effective ways to learn English. Remember, consistency is key. Try incorporating these methods into your daily routine and you will see improvements in no time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.